Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to sign documents using your Apple Pencil. First, open the document you need to sign. This could be in an application like Files, Mail, or even Safari. Once open, look for the markup icon, which resembles a pen tip, and tap it. This action will activate the drawing tools, allowing you to begin the signing process immediately. It's a straightforward way to handle paperwork digitally. To create your signature, tap the plus sign, which looks like a small cross within the markup toolbar. Then, select the signature option. Now, use your Apple Pencil to carefully draw your signature on the line provided. Take your time to make it just right. Once you are satisfied, tap Done to save it. You can always clear and redraw if needed, ensuring a perfect result every time. After creating your signature, it will instantly appear on your document. You can easily move it by dragging it to the exact spot where you need it. To adjust its size, simply use the blue dots located at each corner of the signature box. Drag these dots inward or outward to make it larger or smaller. If you need to rotate it, use the green dot at the top of the box. This gives you full control over placement and appearance. Once your signature is perfectly placed and sized, tap Done in the top left corner of your screen to apply it to the document. You then have two main options. You can choose Save File to store the signed document in your preferred location, like your Files app. Alternatively, select Share to send it directly via mail, messages, or other applications. The original document remains untouched, as a new, signed version is created.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.